Hello viewers and welcome back to our channel. Today I will unbox a new dash cam for my car. In fact, I was looking for an upgrade. So I have purchased this 70mai 510 dash cam, which has both the front and rear camera. And why I was looking for an upgrade, because that particular camera was doing the job but it didn't have a rear one and the picture quality was average. But if you want a decent video for proof, you need to have a video which shows the number plate properly, and also a dash cam that will have a good night footage, because if you drive a lot at night, you need a dash cam which will also provide you good night video. The 70mai is a very trusted brand and it is one of the highest selling dash cams in Amazon, and I purchased this particular product in Amazon Great Indian Festival sale at a good offer, around 11,000 for this. So this is a very good deal. I will have all the links in the description box if you are interested to buy it. So let's see what is inside the box. The box is very nice, and here are some instruction manuals, some adhesive mounts in case you need another one, electrostatic stickers. So if you don't want to install directly to your glass, so then you can install this and install your dash cam over it. This is the main dash cam unit, and this can be rotated according to the curvature of your windshield. So this is the dash cam. This is the rear dash cam. This is 180p and this is K. And here also you have a nice screen, and this particular 510 has the Starvis 2 model 675, which gives very good daytime footage and night footage also. So I was looking for a dash cam that should have a Starvis sensor, Pry tool, and here you get this particular cable for the rear one. This is for the front one, and you get a charger. If you don't want to hardwire it, so you get a dedicated charger with this particular unit. But since I prefer hardwiring, so this you need to purchase separately. So I have purchased a Hardwire Kit also that cost you around 2000 rupees. So I always recommend to tell you that you should always install a dash cam with the help of a Hardwire Kit. Advantages is that your 12 volt socket remains free, because dash cam needs a constant engagement of power. So hardwiring is the best possible solution. So stay tuned friends for this particular installation and demonstration video. Till then, goodbye and namaste.